Good afternoon, YouTube. How are you all doing? Hope you're all well. Going to Taliban today in Conwy, Carneddau, Carneddau mountain range. Yeah, so going to go there. It's about 2 hours, 2.5 hour walk from here, Sychnant Pass, by Hughes, and hopefully get to the quarry and stone circles and standing stones and show you about. Right, come with me, see you in a bit. Quite a walk to go. Don't know if you can hear me. It's a little bit windy. It's not cold though, just a bit windy. Yeah, so quite a walk. Worth it when I get there. I've been tagged in a video by T in Valhalla. That's embarrassing. That was a bit embarrassing. Started filming, talking to the camera, and some guy walks past. Never mind, eh? Anyway, I've been tagged in a video by T in Valhalla, Carry and Cat, amazing channel. I really appreciate the tag. It's hashtag your favourite trail. So you take take two. You narrate your channel. Narrate your favourite walk. Got there in the end. Yeah, you narrate your favourite walk, your favourite trail, and you upload it. And gonna do that sometime this week. Hopefully get that done. So look out for that, and I appreciate it. Carry and Cat, honestly, check out the channel, really good channel. While I'm here as well, I'll give a little shout out to two other channels what up and coming at the moment. I've been commenting on some of my videos and I've looked at theirs, and they're new, but you can tell they're going to be a good channel. Is Bud Outdoors, shout out to you, mate, and Picket Fence and Pylon. They sound like quite a laugh. So check out their channels. I've only done 2 videos so far, but they're good considering it's the first video. It's really good. So yeah, check them out and give them a subscribe. See you in a bit. I was wondering where you went. You're right. Must be time for a brew. Cheesy that, isn't it? Cheers. Some right views from up here. Sorry if you can't hear me, it's very windy. Nice 360 views from here. All the Conwy Valley. We're over there. Right. Right, so Taliban, go to the top up there. Just gonna have a rest here, and I'm gonna keep going. Massive standing stone, huge. There's a few little huts about here. Just gonna have a look at them and then head up. There's a quarry up here. This is where I got to last time in my searching for snow video. This is as far as I got. Snow was really deep, and it was getting dark, so I went back. Right, let's head over there. I just found a nice place for a sit down. If the weather gets bad, perfect place to come. Even got a bench. Oh, don't know if you can see me. Another nice little shelter. At least I know if the weather turns, I'll be alright up here. Oh, hard to get in. Lovely place to get out of the wind and the rain. It's not raining, but if it was, this is where I'd come. Right, last time I came here, it wasn't this deep, so I'm going to stick the GoPro in my mouth and give it a go. Luckily there's some rocks. A lot of rain lately, wasn't there? A lot of rainbow storms. Oh, I might get wet, you know. I can't see very well, there's some off. Right. I know you want me to fall in. Made it. Boots are waterproof, but still, nothing's completely waterproof, is it? Alright, let's head up there. There's a cave to walk through there now. That's where all the water's coming from. Feet are a bit wet. Right, let's go through here. Some views now. Not too much further now, getting quite close. You can always tell when you get to this wall, you can actually see the summit over there. So, not too long now. Some planes up in front of the sky there. Made it. Well, that was fun. Tiring. Gorgeous views. All Snowdonia ranges. Row end down there. Great home. My last video was right over there. You got Puffin Island again, Anglesey. Landed known to Ganway. Right, I'm gonna have another coffee here and some food, and then I'm gonna head back before the sun comes down, because I've been here twice and ended up getting lost in that sort of area. Dark coming back. So I don't want to get lost this time. I might just head on the same path I came. Oh. Time for a brew. Right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoyed making it. Enjoyed the walk. It's a great walk. Well needed this week. Got a long walk back now, so I'm not going to do any filming. Just going to head back now before the sun comes down. Right. Take care, look after yourselves. Ta-ra.